guys, welcome to my channel No Physics with me. Hope all are doing good. Yes, so we are into the topic of time and work and we are already done with 8 sessions. So in this session we are going to cover questions based on wages. Okay, so this is our last topic in time and work, and by next session we will discuss some of the previous year questions related to time and work. So those who have missed any of my previous sessions related to time and work, I will provide you the link in the description box so that you can click on it and watch it. Okay, so before getting into questions directly, we will just cover some of the basics that we will have to know regarding wages. Okay, so first let us understand what is wages. So wages is nothing but the salary you get, or in other terms you can say it as some fixed payment based on monthly or daily basis. Okay, see, consider I am getting 3,000 per month. So my daily wages is how much? How will you calculate? See, 1 month means 30 days. 30 days if I am getting 3,000 means per day how much will I get? You can cross multiply and find the answer as 100 rupees. Okay, you need not go through these steps. Just think, you can directly get this answer. See, 3,000 I am getting it for 30 days. So one day if I have to get 3,000 divided by 30, which is 100 rupees. So this is how you will have to calculate the daily wages. So that is nothing but the total amount you are getting divided by number of days. Clear? Yes. Consider an example. You have 1,000 rupees. Okay. So A and B, they are working together to get this 1,000 rupees. Okay. So this 1,000 rupees, how will you split to A and B? Based on their efficiency. If they are working together for same number of days, say 10 days, based on their efficiency, I will have to split this 1,000 rupees and give it to A and B. Right? So you can say it as wages is directly proportional to efficiency. So you will use the concept of efficiency and split the wages accordingly. Okay, when they work for same number of days. Clear? Suppose they work for different number of days. Okay, so based on efficiency alone can we give? No. So based on their work units, how much units individually they completed, based on that only we will give the wages. Okay, so for different number of days. So this is what the basic thing that you will have to know based on wages. See, daily wages you understood, that is total amount divided by number of days you will get the daily wages. Now two concept is, based on efficiency you will have to split the wages for same number of days. If they are working for different number of days, we will go with the work unit. How much unit they have completed. Okay. Based on that, we will split the wages. Now we will get into questions directly. So you will have a clear-cut idea of how to solve the questions. Yes. So let's start with the first question. A can do a work in 3 days while B can do the same work in 2 days. A can do the work in 3 days while B can do the same work in 2 days. Okay. Both of them finish the work together and get rupees 150. So what is the share of A? This is what they are asking. So we'll use efficiency concept because they are working together for certain period of days. Okay. So 150 we'll have to split for A and B. How will you do? First find their efficiency and based on that we'll split the wages. Okay. So for that we'll use the concept WED. So those who have watched my previous videos can easily understand this concept. Otherwise, those who have not, please do watch and come here because based on that only we are solving this. Okay. So how will you find the efficiency? For finding efficiency, first step is find the total work. So total work is finding LCM for both. So LCM is 6, right? So 3 into 2 is 6 and 2 into 3 is 6. So this is nothing but their individual efficiency. So A's efficiency is 2, B's efficiency is 3. So per day they will complete 5 units together. Correct? Yes. Now they are asking what is the share of A. So A does 2 units. Out of how many units? 5 units per day. Yes, and the total money is 150. Whereas B will complete 3 units out of 5 units into 150. So if you do this, you will get the share of A and B separately. So the share of A is 5 3s are 50. So 60 rupees. And share of B is 90 rupees. Clear? This is how you'll have to solve. One more time I'll tell you. First, you'll use the efficiency if they are working together. Suppose if A works for this much days and he left. B comes after that and works for this much days, means you will use the number of units they are completing. That is the work done. Using that you will calculate the wages. Here they are working together, so we will calculate wages using efficiency. Clear? So for efficiency, first step we will have to find the total work. So total work is by finding the LCM for these two numbers, which is 6. So individual efficiency I have got as 2 and 3 separately. Okay. Now the portion of wages for A is, how will you find? Total units per day is 5. Out of that 2 units he is completing. So 2 by 5 into how much amount? 150. So 60 rupees is for A. Similarly for B it is 3 by 5 into 150, which is 90 rupees for B. Clear? Now we'll go with the next question. You try to solve it by yourself. Okay. A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days and B alone in 8 days. So A alone in 6 days and B alone in 8 days. A and B undertook to do it for rupees 3,200. Okay. With the help of C, they completed the work in 3 days. That means A plus B plus C, right? With the help of C, A and B complete the work in 3 days. How much is to be paid to C? So C is the question mark. Clear? So how will you do? Find the total work first. So total work is LCM for all this is 24. So 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 3 8s are 24. Yes? So A's individual efficiency is 4, B's individual efficiency is 3. A plus B plus C's efficiency is 8. So in this, substitute here. Plus dash is equal to 8. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus x is equal to 8, or C is equal to 8. C is equal to 8 minus 7, which is 1. So C's individual efficiency is 1. Clear? So this is the important thing. Now they are asking for how much is to be paid for C. So total work per day is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. Clear? In that 1 unit is completed by C, right? So 1 by 8 into total amount is 3,200. So 8 4s are 32. So 400 rupees is the amount that has to be given to C. Suppose they are asking for B, means B's per day efficiency is 3. 3 by 8 into 3,200. Right? For A it is 4 by 8 into 3,200. Clear? So this is how you will have to find. See the next question. If A can do 1 by 4 of a work in 3 days and B can do 1 by 6 of the same work in 4 days, how much will A get if both work together and are paid rupees 180 in all? Clear? So they are given in fraction. That is, total work unit we will consider as 1, right? Yes. In that 1 by 4th part, that is 25%, correct? Is completed in 3 days. So for 100%, how will you do? See, into 4. Similarly, into 4. So for completing 100%, that is total 1 unit of work, they will take 12 days to complete, right? So here it is actually 12 days to complete 1 unit of work. Similarly, B, see, 1 by 6th part of 1 unit of work they will complete in 4 days, means for completing one work what you will have to do? See, 1 by 6 is there. You will have to convert this to 1, means how will you do? You will multiply it by 6. Similarly, this number of days you will have to multiply it by 6, which is equal to 24 days. So 24 days they will take to complete 1 unit of work. Clear? Yes. Now I'll rewrite it down, okay? So for a clear understanding. So A takes 12 days to complete the work and B takes 24 days to complete the work. Now as usual proceed with their efficiency. First find their total work. So total work is 24. So 12 2s are 24, 24 1. Right? So A's efficiency is 2 and B's efficiency is 1. So per day their total efficiency is 3. So now they are asking how much is A's wages. Okay, so A does 2 out of 3 work and their total amount is 180. So 120 rupees is A share. If they ask for B share, how will you find 1 out of 3 into 180, which is 60. So 60 rupees is B share. Clear? Now we'll go with the next variety of question, quite easy to solve, okay? A, B and C together earn rupees 300 per day. A, B and C together earn rupees 300 per day, okay? While A and C together earn rupees 188. A and C together they earn rupees 188. And B and C together earn rupees 152. B and C together they earn rupees 152. The daily earning of C is, so they are asking for C's daily earning. So how will you find C? This is nothing but daily earning of A and C. This is the daily earning of B and C. This is for total, for all A, B, C. You can do it in different methods, okay? Here for C means you can directly add this 2, okay? So you will get it as A plus B plus 2C is equal to 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 14, 340. Clear? And first equation, write it here. When you solve this, you will get C, right? So minus, 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 minus. So 2C minus C is C, which is equal to 40. So daily earning of C is 40 rupees. Very easy, right? Yes. See the next question. Actually, it's a tricky question, but it is very easy to solve once you understand the concept, okay? A sum of money is sufficient to pay A's wages for 21 days and B's wages for 28 days. The same money is sufficient to pay the wages of both for. So understand the question carefully. See, consider, I'll tell you example. I have 1000 rupees, okay? So with this 1000 rupees, I can pay for A for 21 days. See, 21 days I can pay for A. Similarly, for B, I can pay for 28 days using this 1000 rupees. Now I am paying for both A and B. Okay. So this 1000 rupees, how much days it will be sufficient they are asking. Clear? Now, the question is tricky, right? But it is very easy. Here the concept is not how much amount, but how many days. So as usual, we'll use the wet concept. Okay. So first find the total work. LCM is using 7 table you can find, right? So 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 20. So 7 3s are 21, 21 4s are 84. So 84. So 21 4s are 84, 28 3s are 84. So A's individual efficiency per day is 4 and B is 3. So per day how many total units they complete? 4 plus 3, 7. Right? Now they are asking for time, right? So using weight, time is equal to W by E. W is nothing but the total work, which is 84 by efficiency is 7, right? Total efficiency per day is 7. So once you cancel it out, 7 ones are 7, remaining ones 7 2s are 14. 12 days. So 12 days I can give wages for both A and B with the sum of money I have. Clear? the final question. Okay, A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B in 15 days. They work for 5 days. The rest of work was finished by C in 2 days. If they get rupees 1500 for the whole work, the daily wages of B and C are. Listen to the question carefully. Here they are asking for daily wages. Okay, and they say they are working separately. That is, A, B together they worked for 5 days, they left, after which C came and completed the remaining part of work. So here we will calculate wages based on work. You remember what I told at the beginning? When they work together, you calculate wages based on efficiency. If they work separately, that is, this person's leave and some other person came and completed the remaining part of work, means you will calculate wages based on work. So here the question is wages based on work we'll have to calculate. Okay. So as usual you proceed. Total work is 30 units, right? LCM for both. So 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30. Right? Now we'll have to find, we got their efficiency. So A, B. Their efficiency is 3 and 2 respectively. Now we'll have to find how many units of work is done by A and how many units of work is done by B and C respectively. So how will you find that? See, work is nothing but, we know weight concept, right? Work is equal to efficiency into time. Time here is A work for 5 days and B work for 5 days. This is already given in your question. So W is nothing but E into T, right? E into T. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. And they say there is another person C and he works for 2 days and his efficiency we don't know, leave it out. Okay. So from this we can find one more thing. See, total unit of work is 30, right? In which 15 is done by A and 10 is done by B. So 30 minus 15 plus 10 is 25, right? You can write like this. Minus 25. Right? These two persons already completed 25 units of work. So the remaining is 5 units. That is only done by C in 2 days. Clear? So how will you calculate efficiency? If they ask for efficiency, how will you do? Efficiency is nothing but work by time. Right? So 5 by 2, which is 2.5. Here we don't need efficiency because we are using the number of units they completed and based on that only we are going to split wages. Right? See. So this is what is important. Okay. So you can simplify this, right? In 5 table. 3 is to 2 is to 1. Clear? So 3 parts should be given to A, 2 parts should be given to B and 1 part should be given to C. Here is question is find the wages for A and B. Sorry, B and C I think. But we'll find for all the 3. Okay. So 3 out of 3, 4, 5, 6 portion, right? Totally 6 portion. In that 3 units is completed by A and total amount is 1500. This is nothing but the share of A. Clear? 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 250. And for B, which is 5 3s are 750 rupees. For B it is 2 by 6 into 1500. And for C it is 1 by 6 into 1500. So again it is 250. 252s are 500 and 251s are 250. So this is what the ratio of wages that we'll have to split. Okay. So if you add together, if you get 1500, then your answer is correct. 500 plus 250 is 750. 750 plus 750 is 1500. You can cross check the answer like this. Okay. So your splitting is correct. But our question is daily wages. This is nothing but the share, individual share A, B and C get. Now we'll have to find the daily wages. How will you calculate daily wages? See, by time. Okay, sir. 750 is A's share. By how many days he is taking? 5. See, for 5 days he is getting 750 rupees, means per day his wages is how much? Which is 750 by 5. Clear? So 5 ones are 5, 5 is 25. So 150 rupees is his daily wages. If they ask for B, B's daily wages is, see, his share is 500 and he works for 5 days, which is 100 rupees. And for C, they are asking means his share was 250 and he worked for 2 days, right? So 125. So this is what their daily earning or daily wages is. Here they are asking for daily wages of B and C. So 100 plus 125, which is 225. Clear? How to solve? See, when your question is they work for separately, that is A and B work for 5 days, after which C did the remaining work. That was our question. So you will calculate wages based on work. Okay. So for finding work units, first as usual find the total work and find their individual efficiency, and time, you know, as they have given in your question, it is 5, 5 and 2 days. So using this you can find the total work units done by A, B and C individually, right? So you can cancel it out in and find the answer as 3:2:1. So 3 portion of wages out of 6 portion, 3 portion is done by A. So in that 1500, 3 portion should be given to A and 2 portion should be given to B and 1 portion should be given to C. Here we'll have to find the daily wages. This is nothing but their individual share. That is for some period of days they are getting this much money. So for 1 day how much they are getting, we'll have to find. How will you find? The total amount divided by how much days they are doing. Okay. So once you do that, you will get the answer. Clear? So I hope you are all clear with the concept discussed today. Yes. So wages based on efficiency you can calculate and on work you will calculate, and daily wages is nothing but the total share you get divided by number of days you work. Clear? So using this 3 concepts you will calculate the wages. Efficiency we will use when they are working together for certain period of time, and work units you will use when they work for certain period of time, after which some other person continues the work. Clear? So please don't forget this. So try solving more problems. Definitely you can solve it very quickly. Okay. So if you like the video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all the support given. Keep supporting. So thank you.